Yeah, hey, welcome back to M&M Adventures. Today we are at the Space Center in Houston, Texas. Very exciting. We just got to look at the Space Shuttle Independence that they have on display here. So we're going to go inside today and enjoy this piece of purely American stuff. So come and go with us on another M&M Adventure.
We are so elated. He is totally in orbit. We're launching a new adventure. Shuttle on. From the wildlife encounters of Big Thicket, it was time to head back into civilization with a visit to Space Center Houston, southeast of Houston, Texas.
Literally, yeah.
So then, yeah, it took 18 months, and then they were like, "You're good."
Yeah.
Conrad. The other was Apollo.
Oh, Lucas.
Sleeping bag. You strap them down because there's no gravity. Launch an entry suit.
That's weird. That is so weird.
Airlock. Spacewalk suit.
The airlock.
And then after every mission to refurbish it.
It's one of the strangest sights in all of aviation. A 747 airliner piggybacking a 165,000-pound space shuttle.
To the shuttle. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Love that show.
すごい。
What do you think?
It's a third. 12 pounds loses 4 pounds.
Gravity.
All the way to Pluto.
Yes, let's walk the solar system.
Here's the sun. This is the asteroid belt. Well, it's a long walk here, and
It's goofy, but it's fun.
It's fun because it's perspective generating.
Yeah. I'm going to put all this in fast forward.
Where are we at? Dreams, the original gas giant. It took 3 minutes to walk from the last one to this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, here it is.
We have to go out that way.
So this is the Milky Way galaxy, and this little speck is our solar system.